Most people are controlled by fear. Fear of losing, fear of failing, fear of looking foolish, fear of being alone. And because of that fear, they live small lives. They play defense. They hesitate. They ask for permission. They wait for certainty that never comes. But there is another way to live, a way that doesn't rely on luck, a way that doesn't depend on approval, a way built on one radical principle. Freedom from fear is the ultimate power. That is the core idea behind the 50th law. This book is not about motivation. It's not about positivity. It's not about dreaming big. It's about reality. Harsh, unfiltered, uncomfortable reality. Robert Greene studied power, strategy, and human nature for decades. 50 Cent lived it, from the streets to the top of the music and business world. Different worlds, same law. Fearlessness creates freedom. Fear creates dependency. This is the 50th law. Let's begin. The first lesson is this: fear is the root of most failure. People don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because fear controls their decisions. Fear makes people cautious when they should be bold. Fear makes people quiet when they should speak. Fear makes people settle when they should demand more. Fear doesn't just stop action, it distorts perception. It convinces you that risk is danger, when in reality, stagnation is the real threat. Lesson 2. Fearlessness is not recklessness. The book does not promote blind risk. Fearlessness means seeing reality clearly, without emotional distortion. Fear clouds judgment. Fear exaggerates threats. Fear invents worst-case scenarios that rarely happen. When fear is removed, decisions become sharper, calmer, and more strategic. Lesson 3. Most people are addicted to comfort. Comfort feels safe, but it weakens you. The more you avoid discomfort, the less capable you become of handling it. 50 Cent's early life forced him into discomfort constantly. Instead of breaking him, it trained him. Pain became normal. Risk became familiar. Fear lost its grip. Lesson 4. Exposure kills fear. Fear grows in avoidance. It shrinks in confrontation. The book emphasizes putting yourself in situations that scare you, on purpose, not to be reckless, but to become immune. When you repeatedly face what you fear, it loses authority over you. Lesson 5. Self-reliance is power. The more you depend on others for validation, security, or approval, the more controlled you are. Fear thrives in dependency. True power comes from knowing you can survive on your own terms. 50 Cent learned early that no one was coming to save him. That realization didn't break him, it freed him. Lesson 6. Rejection is training. Most people avoid rejection at all costs, but rejection builds immunity. When you stop fearing no, you gain leverage. You ask for more. You negotiate harder. You take chances others won't. Lesson 7. The illusion of safety keeps people stuck. Jobs, titles, routine. They feel safe, but they're often fragile. One change, one decision from above, and the illusion collapses. The book teaches you to build inner security, not external dependence. Lesson 8. Aggression in pursuit, calm in execution. Desire should be intense. Action should be controlled. Fearless people don't rush emotionally. They move deliberately. Emotion fuels ambition. Strategy guides behavior. Lesson 9. Authenticity creates strength. When you stop pretending, fear loses leverage. Most people are afraid of being themselves because they fear rejection, but masks create tension. Tension creates weakness. 50 Cent's power came from being unapologetically himself. Lesson 10. Adaptability beats planning. Rigid plans break under pressure. Fearless people adjust quickly because they're not emotionally attached to one outcome. They stay present. They read reality. They pivot without panic. Lesson 11. Your environment programs your fear. If you surround yourself with anxious, cautious, fearful people, you absorb their limitations. Fear is contagious. So is courage. Choose environments that challenge your comfort, not protect it. Lesson 12. Respect comes from self-respect. People sense when you fear losing them, and they respond accordingly. Fearless people don't beg. They don't chase validation. They don't shrink themselves. That energy commands respect. Lesson 13. Fearlessness reveals hidden opportunities. Most opportunities are invisible to fearful minds. They look risky. They look uncertain. They look uncomfortable. Fearless thinkers see leverage where others see danger. Lesson 14. Failure is information, not identity. Fear makes failure personal. Fearless people analyze failure objectively. What worked? What didn't? What to adjust? No drama, no ego. Lesson 15. Pressure exposes character. Comfort hides weakness. Pressure reveals it. The book teaches you to seek pressure, not avoid it. Pressure builds resilience. Resilience builds confidence. Lesson 16. Detachment creates clarity. When you are emotionally attached to outcomes, fear increases. Detachment doesn't mean not caring. It means not panicking. Fearless people commit fully, but accept any result. Lesson 17. Most rules are social illusions. Many limitations exist only because people agree to them. Fear keeps people compliant. Questioning assumptions opens doors others don't even see. Lesson 18. Risk is misunderstood. Playing safe often carries the highest long-term risk. Fearless people accept short-term discomfort for long-term control. Lesson 19. Self-belief is built, not assumed. Confidence grows through evidence. Every time you survive discomfort, you strengthen trust in yourself. Fear weakens that trust. Action rebuilds it. Lesson 20. Timing improves with fearlessness. Fear delays action. Delay kills momentum. Fearless people move earlier, before certainty arrives. Lesson 21. Being underestimated is an advantage. Fear makes people seek recognition. Fearlessness allows you to work quietly. Surprise is a strategic weapon. Lesson 22. Your story is a tool. Pain, struggle, background. These could be weapons or wounds. Fearless people own their story. They don't hide it. They leverage it. Lesson 23. Discipline replaces fear. Structure calms the mind. Daily habits create predictability in chaos. Discipline removes the need for motivation. Lesson 24. Fearlessness is a practice. It's not a personality trait. It's built through repeated exposure to uncertainty. Daily. Lesson 25. Freedom is internal before it is external. Money helps, status helps, but fearlessness begins inside. If fear controls your thoughts, nothing else matters. The 50th law is not about aggression. It's about clarity. It's about removing fear so you can see reality as it is and act accordingly. Most people will never do this work because fear is familiar. Fear feels safe. Fear feels normal. But normal is overcrowded. If this message made you uncomfortable, that's a good sign. Growth never feels safe at first. This is daily upgrade motivation, where clarity replaces fear, discipline replaces hesitation, and action replaces waiting. Upgrade your mindset. Upgrade your courage. Upgrade your life.